I heard it call Mark's left.
The right side.
Gabe and Mark on the left.
What is this? Oh!
Are you serious right now, bro?
Ah, fuck.
Go! Hit!
We should like get out of here, bro. We're very cornered. We gotta dip. Ready? I gotta, okay. Hey.
Go.
I'm dead. Got him.
Oh, go use our suits.
The guy in the center building. Go!
Ready?
Go!
Huh?
You can go.
I got one.
I heard 2 hits. Dana again?
I got him.
Yeah?
Yeah.